how to hold a camera vlog style. Is that good? What's going on, y'all? Good. Oh, you can't even see it. Saturday. It is like November. I don't even remember what the last date I put up on the channel was, but we are in November. This is the countdown to the end of the year, so I have only so much time left to go ahead and knock out a lot of this work. So today we'll be doing work on the Teespring account. I think best thing to do is first start with the form of a diagram, show myself how to organize it. I'm gonna go ahead and post it, get the products up on the website, and then we'll go ahead, create the account, put the products up, decide which logos you want to work with first, and then start from there. And hopefully soon somebody can get some work up. It's been way too long. It's been way too long. Hello. Now, we've already got the train rolling. We chose Teespring as a website. We've chosen the logos that we're gonna go ahead and upload. Well, you may have not have seen that. But now after browsing and understanding a little bit more of the Teespring website and what they have to offer, the product process is a little bit more clear to me. I have a few gripes with it, but I will go into that in another episode. Currently, we just wanna go ahead and create the account so we can upload and put the logos on there for distribution. So let me quit talking because, you know, no good story is not told under 8 minutes. And let's get to recording. New logo alert, new logo alert. Time for me to start doing another logo. This one's gonna be as minimalist as the rest of them. Typography once again, but this one's just an abbreviation of the brand itself. I thought I'd sound just a little bit more alive on the voiceovers because I don't want to sound so dreary and drawn out. All right, so to stress this once again, this is Human by Design. This one's gonna overlay the abbreviation, make it more visible and visual to passerbys. So now on to the part that I have been waiting for. I'm not sure if you've been waiting for it. I've had this channel for like 4 or 5 months, so I guess maybe we've both been waiting for it. Time to create the Teespring account. Gonna choose the sign up, gonna link our email, gonna create a secure but memorable password. I personally use the 2-factor authentication. That must be the IT background. And confirm that we are not a robot. Now to get started, we advise them that we're choosing to create and sell. We have the other 2 options, but nobody cares about those because we are creators. Another page of options. They want to know about you here. I'll choose that I'm a content creator. Go ahead and name the store. Human by Design, you already know what it is. And I'm in. Now, this is the home base of creating a storefront, I guess. We'll go ahead and name the store again, this time with a little bit more identity, using a banner to put at the top, characterize. Add a banner to make the store look unique. Now let's add our first product. Now I'm going to go to apparel and see even more choices. We'll use the basic casual comfort tee, basic plain white t-shirt, and choose the first logo design. We have a bunch of colors to choose from here in regards to this shirt, but since we have a black logo, let's stick with a Clorox clean white tee. Resize the logo per the requirements and product size. Make sure you're properly within the bounding box that they have provided for you, or you're gonna get some cut off. Calculate the pricing so that my cut is at least profitable, but not so much coming from the customer. Now let's add some detail to the listing. We're gonna name the shirt, give it a little product description. Also at the bottom there is a URL that can be made to provide direct to product link sharing, which will be great if I want to send just a specific item of merchandise to somebody. Hit submit, and there you have it. The item is easily up and available for purchase. So it seems. How long did that take? That was like 30 seconds, right? In 5x time. items up along with all the info that was typed up a moment ago per the listing. And now to bounce back to the storefront, which displays the listings created with the prices that you've assigned to it. So now let's find our way to the storefront dashboard, which shows all the information for the entire account. Since I'm going over this pretty quickly, I promise you it's done almost just as fast as this sped up version. If you have any questions, please hit me up in the comment section below and I will address them or try to address them in a future video. But since this looks pretty successful, let's try our hand at another piece of apparel. And that's it. It's so simple. You can literally follow the majority of the videos they have online through Teespring to create, but there's a few things that they don't mention on there that you might want to know prior to creating even just your first item or your first product. I'll go over that in the next video for those who want to be a little bit more ahead of just the first time creator. I also am joined to the Teespring Reddit. So if you want, I'll go ahead and post that information down there. You can follow me and we can have a little bit of a discussion about it. By the way, I can't wait to get the audio fixed because it's the more that I edit and listen to a lot of my videos, it just sounds so tingy or so I'm just in a gigantic room. So come Black Friday, all you Black Friday shoppers, see you in lines. Thought I'm gonna do this right here. No, I'll probably be at work. I'll be off. Depends. We'll see. But I'm gonna just do a lot of my inventory stuff, and then once that's done, I'll do a quick before and after of my tool set, so you can see you can make a basic YouTube from the most smallest items that you currently already have, and what I'm gonna be using going forward. So without wasting any more of your time, look out for the next video coming in the next week. That's crazy, in the next week. It's been so long since I did anything 1 week later, but I should be going ahead and cranking the content out a little much more faster. I've heard this somewhere. I will see you in the next one. No, you'll see me in the next one. I just see myself. This is just me. It's just me alone in the room. It's just me. Peace.